Welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching E.A.B Farms. This video is going to be a little different. Not much haymaking in it. Let's get on with the video. We are going to start out by getting some cattle moved. So we're going to sell a load of cull cows. We got 4 cull cows, 2 cull bulls, heading to town. Then we got some fats to haul. Towards the end of this video, we even got a cute little load of piglets. So let's get into the video. A little bit of different hauling this week. Got 4 cull cows, 2 cull bulls, heading to the sale barn. Got 2 fats that gotta go to the locker tomorrow. And then we have to haul a group of heifers to the home lot here. The heifers and the heifer bull, and put them with a group of cows. Well, 6 o'clock, August 4th. Just pulling away from the north shed. We have 2 fats going to the locker for our retail beef store. Sorry, just going between the grain bins here. Didn't cover any of it, I believe, yesterday. We hauling them load of cull cows and bulls. 70%. Well, yeah, so 3 out of the 4 ended up being bred, which we were kind of figuring. Anyways, yesterday when I was hauling them, we had a bubble on the sidewall of the stock trailer tire. So the stock trailer now has 4 brand new 14 ply tires on it. Not planned, but it is what it is. Everybody's enjoying their silage tonight, that's for sure. This is how dry we are. That rock, man, I don't know if the camera's picking up, started a fire. Unbelievable. About 7 o'clock, just after. Came out to this field, even though we are 14 miles from home or whatever. Came out, and Courtney, look, there's a kitten.
Yeah, that's what I see.
That's what you're seeing? Just to make sure that little fire that the disc pine started, make sure that's out. So, you guys be careful out there. That's just the conditions we've dealt. As you see, there is a decent amount out here. It's not like I was just out cutting drought-stricken ground. The insects have moved in here. This alfalfa is starting to dry up. So it's a little bit lighter than I normally would cut, but it's time to take it off. Hopefully we start getting some moisture to get it coming back. But it is salvage mode now. If we don't get rain, things are only going to go downhill from here. And it's not looking like it'll be all that long until the corn's burnt up and we'll be chopping that. So went from too wet to too dry really, really fast. Pulling this beautiful load of square bale straw. I was told I got to show some of this on YouTube. So we're gonna have fun. Oh man, it's not even focusing. After chores, now unloading small square straw for the goats. Almost done. Almost done. You hot?
I'm hot too. I want to go swimming.
You're such a good helper, huh?
Pool's over here.
Friday, August 7th, maybe? Anyways, we should have been ended this video and have it editing, but we're going to take you guys and go pick up 8 feeder pigs. Don't know what weight. I'm thinking around 30, 40. They're from a friend of a friend, and hopefully good things come about this. Let's get on the road. And we're back. Awesome visit. Hopefully many more dealings with this young family. These pigs look very good. They're some of the smaller pigs we've gotten. Are you going in there or what?
Yeah.
There's 4.
Yeah.
Hey, easy. Courtney, back up over here. So if you guys can tell them 3...
And this one is the smallest.
that one's the smallest. The 3 Herefords are from a litter, and then the 4 other mixes are from a different litter. So there's 2 groups here. The 3 are definitely a little bit bigger, but I think they're young enough that we should be able to combine them and not have problems. But nice and spunky, healthy. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, you like them?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Say hi to the subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a bunch of random hauling cattle, pigs, unloading straw. Been kind of off week. We've finally been getting a little bit of rain. Just chances enough to not really help the crops much. Just screw up the haymaking. As you guys seen in this video, we do have 20, 35, 40, 55 acres on the ground currently. Gonna start cutting again tomorrow. We had a shower this morning. A guy could have probably cut today. Probably would have been better with the fire danger. But start cutting again. We have 1 farm left to first cut. And then as of right now, all the hay we made, all the acres we've covered, at least need to be covered at least 1 more time. And possibly all the alfalfa might be covered 2 more times. Which, with this dry, that's probably getting a little greedy. Everything will probably be covered 1 more time. So, hopefully next week's video, get back into haymaking action. Go from there. But as you guys seen in the previous clip, we are dry. There's other parts of the country dry. Be careful when you're out there cutting hay. Field fires are not a joke. Luckily this one, I just grabbed the alfalfa and was able to swat it out. But who knows, if I didn't go back out there, I mean, it could have grew. It could have took out the whole field. And once it gets to the edge of the field where it's just a whole bunch of canary grass that's dried up, I mean, it would take off from there. So all in all, couldn't end it any better. It's just amazing. I'm just standing down here by the cows. I'll show you my view, and then we'll call it. Put the heifer bull in with the cow herd. So, yeah. Said in the beginning of this video, I think. But please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more. Talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good week, everybody. I don't even know if this is going to pick it up. Look at that. Careful out there, guys.